When the skies over Sumy roared with the low, predatory hum of jets and the relentless buzz of drones, the Ukrainian front line knew something serious was coming. By mid-August 2025, the region had already been battered by waves of precision strikes, each one carefully chosen to cripple command hubs, dismantle air defenses, and punch holes in Ukraine's battlefield network. But August 12th was different. It wasn't just another strike. It was a coordinated, multi-layered assault that blended speed, firepower, and ruthless accuracy. This time, Russia unleashed its Su-34 strike aircraft armed with UMPK-500 precision glide bombs alongside Jaran 2 drones, hammering both manpower and high-value equipment. And it all tied into a chain of strikes that had been unfolding over the previous days. So, here's what you need to know. On August 11th, the Russian Ministry of Defense announced a major combined arms strike in the Sumy region. The primary target, the 144th Separate Mechanized Brigade's Mechanized Battalion of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. The tools, Su-34 fighter bombers carrying UMPK-500 precision bombs, and Jaran 2 unmanned aerial vehicles acting as both harassers and finishers. By the time the smoke cleared, Ukrainian forces had lost ammunition depots, armored vehicles, including 2 US-supplied Abrams tanks and 4 Bradley infantry fighting vehicles, and eliminated up to 10 foreign-made Ukrainian hardware units. The attack didn't just inflict material losses, it disrupted an entire battalion's combat readiness. The UMPK-500 struck first, dropping from high altitude and gliding toward their targets with GPS-guided precision. Seconds later, Jaran 2 drones followed up, hitting surviving assets, secondary positions, and soft targets exposed by the initial blasts. It was a textbook example of combining manned aircraft strikes with loitering munitions for maximum attrition. The August 11th assault didn't come out of nowhere. A day earlier, on August 10th, Sumy had already been hit by multiple strikes, this time entirely drone-driven. Unofficial sources released footage of 4 distinct attacks, all reportedly carried out by Jaran 2 drones. The first video showed a Ukrainian UAV control position being obliterated, likely an attempt to reduce Ukraine's own drone threat before larger strikes. The second clip captured a Jaran 2 slamming into an S-300 command post in Vorozhba, a blow to regional air defense coordination. The third strike targeted a GUR Special Forces command post in Krivonosovla, while the fourth destroyed a reconnaissance post of Ukrainian military intelligence in Zhadovo. Taken together, these August 10th strikes dismantled layers of Ukrainian battlefield awareness and response capability. By neutralizing air defense nodes, special forces coordination points, and reconnaissance hubs, Russia essentially blinded parts of the Sumy sector, paving the way for August 12th's heavier, manned aircraft assault. At the heart of the August 11th strike were 2 very different but complementary weapons. The UMPK-500 is a guided bomb conversion kit, effectively turning a standard Fab 500 general-purpose bomb into a precision glide munition. By adding folding wings and a satellite navigation system, the UMPK-500 allows Russian aircraft to release bombs from safe distances outside most Ukrainian air defense envelopes. From there, the bomb glides toward its target with a reported accuracy of a few meters, more than enough to destroy armored concentrations or fortified depots. The Jaran 2 is slower, cheaper, and far less intimidating in appearance, but its role is surgical and psychological. It can loiter for hours, harassing air defenses, hunting soft targets, and forcing defenders to stay on constant alert. In coordinated operations like this, the Jaran 2 becomes a force multiplier, damaging what the glide bombs miss, or flushing out survivors who thought they'd escaped the main strike. In military terms, the combination is potent. High-speed precision strikes to break the target's back, followed by persistent drones to pick off whatever's left. According to Russian sources, among the most notable losses in the August 11th strike were 2 M1A, 1 Abrams tanks, and 4 M2 Bradley IFVs, cornerstones of Ukraine's Western-supplied armored forces. The M1 Abrams, long touted as one of the most powerful tanks in the world, boasts thick Chobham armor, a powerful 120mm smoothbore gun, and advanced fire control systems. In conventional tank-on-tank combat, it's a formidable adversary. But against top attack munitions like the UMPK 500 or even well-placed drone strikes, the Abrams' advantages shrink rapidly. The reality is that no tank armor is invulnerable when precision weapons target its weaker roof and engine deck. The M2 Bradley IFV offers mobility, troop transport, and a 25mm autocannon for infantry support. It's more lightly armored than a tank and far more vulnerable to aerial threats. A glide bomb within even 10 meters can cripple it. A direct drone hit can turn it into a smoldering wreck. The reality is that armor now needs not just ground cover, but constant aerial protection, something difficult to maintain across wide fronts. Without it, even elite equipment becomes high-value scrap. The Sumy strikes reflect a broader Russian strategy emerging in 2025, using drones not just as independent weapons, but as tools to set conditions for manned aircraft strikes. For Ukraine, the Sumy strikes are a reminder that modern battlefields offer few safe zones. Western-supplied armor may perform well in direct combat, but in the age of precision, glide bombs and loitering drones, static positions and exposed staging areas are death traps. So that's what we have for today. Thank you for watching.